Say goodbye to heavy glass and flimsy plastic. This is the Whale House 750 ml clear frozen bento box. Lightweight, kid-friendly, and built for daily adventure. As you can see, it's made from crystal clear Ecozen PCTG. It looks like glass, but it's 50% lighter and way tougher. It didn't break. Look at this, no cracks, no stains, no weird smells. Designed with kids in mind, it opens easily with an air vent for tiny hands. Look at this. While the silicone seal plus 4 locking clips keep everything airtight and mess-free. Super easy. The 3 smart compartments keep meals organized perfectly for sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. For wet items like yogurt, we recommend adding a smaller container inside. And look at this. Amazing, right? From freezer to microwave to dishwasher, this lunch box handles it all without warping or clouding. Durable, stain resistant, and always crystal clear. It even comes with a reusable fork, so no more forgotten utensils. Compact, portable, and super easy for school picnics or family outings.